Secretary Amena F. Pamandaman, PRC Chairman Charito A. Zamora, CSC Commissioner Ryan Alvin R. Acosta, and Deputy Secretary Sunny Angara.
As our esteemed signatories take their places, we witness a historic moment in the education sector in the country.
To be part of this momentous occasion marking the fulfillment of President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s directive to promote professional development and career advancement for our nation's educators. The signing of the implementing rules and regulations of Executive Order Number 174 Series of 2022 reflects our commitment not only to their professional development but also to address the ever-evolving needs of our learners and communities across the country. I am especially honored and thrilled to again work alongside with then Senate Committee Chairman of Finance in the Senate of Representatives and now newly minted Secretary of Department of Education, Sunny Angara. I know much has been said about this well-deserved appointment. However, I would like to emphasize that indeed his proven track record and unwavering commitment to improving the Philippine educational system make him fit for the job. I am also confident that just like his father, my former boss and mentor, the late Senate President Edgardo J. Angara, he will elevate the country's educational system to greater heights. Ang sabi po ng Pangulo sa kanyang ikatlong SONA, kung talagang linanais natin na maging matagumpay ang hinahangad nating pagbangon sa larangan ng edukasyon, ang ating mga guro ang dapat nating itaguyod at patatagin. It is high time we provide our educators with an environment where they can grow and thrive, as their profession is not limited within the confines of the classroom. Instead, it is a lifelong path of learning, transforming, and evolving, especially in this ever-changing world. By establishing pathways for career advancement of our teachers, we are creating a positive work climate that makes them feel valued and engaged, which ultimately leads to a more stable and experienced workforce in the education sector. Today's signing sends a powerful message to our dear teachers that their calls did not fall on deaf ears, that their hard work is recognized, their growth is prioritized, and their contributions are acknowledged.
Napaka-timely po talaga nitong IRR na ito. Alam ko na matagal na rin kayo nagsakripisyo, pero ito na. Siguro sa pagdating ni Sec. Sunny sa Department of Education, makikita na po natin yung prioridad ay magiging una ang ating guro. Sa ating mga guro, maraming salamat. At kasama po natin, yung representante po natin, nakasama natin Sec. Sunny dati sa Kongreso. At siguro nagbabantay kung ano talagang ilalaman ng IRR po ninyo. Continue your presence here. Alam ko, kasama namin ko, siguro tuloy mo na tama para sa kapakanan ng ating mga guro. Again, Sec. Sunny, with you at the helm, sigurado ko, una ang guro. Maraming salamat. Mabuhay po.